Patients want to book on their time. If your clinic isn't online, they'll choose the one that lets them book in a few taps, day or night. Phone tag burns staff time and frustrates patients. AI online booking ends all that by showing real-time availability, offering instant confirmations, and routing appointments to the right provider without anyone picking up the phone. Patients choose their visit type, pick a time, and they're done. Your calendar updates automatically. The right provider gets the right visit length, and nobody has to double-check anything on the back end. Automated reminders cut no-shows. Most patients actually prefer self-scheduling because it feels quicker and more in control. Digital forms, pre-check-in, and online payments make the whole visit smoother before they even walk in. Add your appointment link to Google so the Book button appears directly in search results. Place a clear Book Now button in your header and on every service page so patients always know what to do next. Want this running by next week? MarketinGear can set up your full booking flow, connect it to your EHR, and boost appointments through solid local SEO. Tap the link, tell us your clinic setup, and we'll take it from there.